Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, I'm going to show you few prompts which will be definitely useful for educators, trainers, teachers, professors. So these prompts you can use it in Bard and ChatGPT. Even I'll show you few things with examples so you can try all the other prompts and let me know in the comment box. So let us directly start the topic. So these are the prompts. Okay, in ChatGPT and Google Bard AI, you have to write the proper prompt. So what is a prompt which will be trained, which the AI model will be trained? So if you wanted to get the proper result from AI model, so you have to use the proper prompt in order to get the answers from that. So the prompts are like, you have to start with this. Okay, create. If you want to create a rubrics for a specific topic and subject area, so whatever I have given inside the square bracket, so this you can change it. Okay, so rubrics for a specific topic, you can mention any other topic in any other subject. Okay, what the subject you want. So create a lesson plan for a specific topic in subject plan. For example, I can show this. So create a lesson plan. So create is a prompt, create a lesson plan or a course plan, you can try. Okay, lesson plan for any specific topic. Okay, research, we can take a research methodology. Okay, so this is my topic. Okay, research methodology and introduction, or any other topic. Let us see. Defining the research problem. Okay, for defining the research problem. Okay, and the prompt should be very clear. Okay, a lesson plan in research methodology. Okay, I'm just telling this to create a lesson plan for defining the research problem in research methodology. Once if I enter, it will create a lesson plan for me. Let us see what is the lesson plan it is creating. Great. Okay, sure. Here is a lesson plan for defining the research problem. Let us just try it in ChatGPT as well, and let us wait for the reply from that. So, what are the materials you can use? It's a great no. It is giving us the lesson objective, and what is the material you can use, and what is the procedure, how you can teach that, what is the assessment you can do, what is the differentiation, and what is the extension you can go ahead with. Great. Let us see what ChatGPT is giving. ChatGPT has given like a grade level. Great. So it's given a grade level college. What is the objective, and what are the materials you have to use, and what is the procedure? What is a presentation? You have to give the presentation for define what is a research problem, explain how could research problem help, discuss the various, give an example for the research problem. This will take nearly 15 minutes. You should conduct a group activity. So it has something, so discussion, so this has the content and conclusion. So great. In order to get the lesson plan, I think ChatGPT has won the battle, and Google Bard, as they have mentioned, it's still they are working on the model, so it may take some more time in order to give the perfect result. So I can rephrase the sentence. If you like ChatGPT, okay, you can go ahead with that. If you wanted to get the result from Google Bard, then you can mention like create a lesson plan with timing. Okay, and total number of hours. So whatever you want, you can just tell them for defining the research methodology. So again it will start working on it, and it will give you some more result out of it. So as I mentioned, for yes, it has created, and it has given like how many hours it will take. Objective, material, procedure 1, you can either use day 1. Okay, that is you have to take this for 2 days. Okay, day 1, day 2, and the total number of hours, what is the differentiation. Great. So let us go to the next prompt, because this prompt will be definitely useful for everyone. The Bloom's taxonomy. I hope most of the colleges are working with the Bloom's taxonomy. So Bloom's taxonomy has its own feature, like it like if it you are taking a question from L1, which means remembering, L2 means understanding, L3 means applying, L4 means analyzing, and L5 means evaluating, and L6 is creating. So when I was a professor, I really struggled in order to create a few questions, like beginning in the beginner as a fresher. I have struggled to create this creating questions, because of course we all know, like our India based colleges, most of the colleges will be covering, we will be teaching in terms of till L4. Okay, and L5 and L6, even how we have to write, even I really struggled. I don't know whether you are all might be well versed. So even if you have any questions in order to create this, we can ask the ChatGPT to create a questions. Okay, so this is the prompt: create questions from topic, what topic you want, based on Bloom's taxonomy, which level. Okay, so you can ask create questions from, I'm going to take the same question. Okay, research, what is the question I have taken? Okay, research problem, defining the research problem. Okay, I'm just going to replace it: defining the research problem on Bloom's taxonomy level 5. The level 5 is evaluating, right? I'm not sure, let me just, yes, evaluating, evaluation, evaluating the students knowledge. Okay, let us see what question it is creating. Okay, create a question from defining the research problem based on Bloom's taxonomy level 5. The level 5 is evaluating. Okay, evaluate. What are the three main concepts of a research problem? What are the different types of research problem? Write the research problem statement in the following topic. Okay, the effect of climate change. Okay, I think this one is good. Compare and contrast the different. Got it. So let us create this. Okay, let me give the exact search to ChatGPT and see what it is displaying. Great. Can you assess the effectiveness of research problem in guiding the research study? How would you evaluate the relevance of research problem to the research area? Can you determine limitations of research problem in terms of feasibility and ethics? I think even here ChatGPT won the battle. So it clearly explains all these questions, or it has to the student has to think and write it. So that is what the excellent thing here. Okay, so let us see what is the other prompt which we can use. You can try all the prompts. Okay, this is what your work, so you can try, and also please leave the comment what prompt you have tried and whether you got the exact answer as you expected. Okay, so outline. So you can write the prompt starting with outline. Okay, outline a project based learning activity for grade level student. So project based activity, or if you wanted to go ahead with case study based activity, or outline a case study activity for 12th grade student, or outline a grade case study activity for UG student, or UG computer science student, like that you can mention. Okay, so outline the project templates for undergraduates. So let me go ahead and start with this. Outline a project. Okay, project, or you can even tell like mini project or internship for undergraduate students. You can also tell like computer science undergraduate students. Okay, like you can just reframe the question. So let us see what Bard AI is giving us, and also we will see what ChatGPT is giving us. Okay, so it is telling project title. Okay, so even this also telling the same project title, project overview, project team, project timeline, project budget, project deliverable, project methodology, risk, project reference, and everything. So here it shows, I think somewhat like you have to insert an item and the cost, whatever. Okay, project sign off, like you can sign everything. Okay, so this is like, I think in this battle both are having an equal rating. That is, even Google Bard has given a good good template, that is a project template, and also research problems, like even ChatGPT has given a proper research problem. Like this you can try. Okay, all these things. Got it. So let me go with the last one question, that is act as a professor. So you can tell like how it has to act. Okay, act as a computer science professor or act as a textile. So various comparisons, various criteria and key points. Okay, so I'm just asking Bard to act as a textile and fashion designing professor, and you have to, that is, act. Bard will explain. Okay, textile and fashion designing is a creative and challenging field. So, what are the key criteria point it has highlighted? Great. So let us go and check with ChatGPT how it is creating. Okay, understanding the textile and fabric, enhancing creative and innovation, understanding fashion trends, developing technical skills, exploring entrepreneurial opportunities, passion for designing. So great, yes. So of course, both Google Bard AI and ChatGPT has come up with a different set of idea. Okay, so here it exactly tells me like why I have to learn textile designing. Here it is also telling me like what are the key fashion area, key important area, and ChatGPT hasn't specifically mentioned like what I have to go ahead with. Here it has given 2 to 3 paragraph of explanation like why I should learn textile and fashion designing. So both ChatGPT and Google Bard AI is giving us an excellent output for this. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I can share this Excel file with you all if based on the comment and request. So in the comment you can request like if you wanted to see this, if you need these prompts, you can just ask me. I'll be updating few more prompts here which is really required for you all. So you can request, you can just comment it. I'll be sharing this with the person who has commented, and then please also comment what prompt you have tried and how it is working. I hope you find this video useful. Please give a thumbs up, like and share, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates regarding the ChatGPT and Google Bard AI. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.